Hi, my name is Estelle, and this is my coat of arms. It represents my personality. At the top left of my coat of arms, I have drawn my dog, Tara. Dog is blue because blue is a symbol of security, and when I walk Tara, I feel confident. The background is orange because orange represents fun, and when I play with her, I have a lot of fun. Below my dog Tara, I have drawn a flag of Maldives because I want to travel there, and I love the beaches and the houses inside the beach. I want to travel there with my friends and my family. Below the dolphin of my coat of arms, I have drawn my name. My name is Purple because I like this color. I painted the background yellow because yellow is the color of stars, and my name is Estelle, a star in Catalan. Here I have drawn the palette of colors because in the future I would like to be an inside designer because I like to decorate the inside houses. I paint the background yellow because yellow represents wealth, and in the future I will win a lot of money in this job. On the right, I draw a dolphin because dolphins symbolize friendship and communication because I communicate with everyone. I painted the background green because green represents well-being, and I am with my friends. At the bottom, I have drawn a dragon. I painted the dragon gold because gold symbolizes good luck because we have a very good luck, and our civilization where we live is very afortunated. At the top, I have drawn a wolf because the wolf is my favorite animal. The background is blue because blue represents beauty because the wolf is very beautiful. And that's all. Bye!